Most people waste months chasing side hustles that sound smart on paper, but make them 0 rupees in reality. The second they see AI attached to something, they assume it's the golden ticket, the one shortcut that's finally going to change their life. Here's what nobody tells you. AI is not the business, it's just infrastructure. The same way the internet was infrastructure. Nobody got rich because the internet existed. They got rich building something on top of it. AI works the exact same way. The real money comes from using AI to do something people already pay for, just faster, cheaper, and at a scale one person alone could never hit. So today, I'm ranking 17 AI side hustles from S tier all the way down to absolute dog tier, so you know exactly where to spend your time and where to run. Number 1. AI trading bots, F tier. This is where a bot supposedly trades the market for you automatically. The pitch is tempting. Passive income while you sleep, 0 effort, but it's gambling wearing a business suit. If you don't understand risk, market structure, or what's actually happening under the hood, you're not investing, you're donating your money away, because this is high risk with almost no real skill transfer. I'm putting this in F tier. Number 2. AI UGC Content, C tier. You create AI-assisted content for brands who pay based on performance. It's a direct pay-for-results model with low startup cost. But if the content doesn't feel authentic or doesn't perform, you earn nothing when it lives or dies entirely on execution. So because it's high effort with unpredictable payout, this lands in C tier. Number 3. AI clipping, B tier. This is using AI to turn long-form videos into shorts and reels for creators. There's real consistent demand here because creators always need distribution. The problem is the market's flooding fast, and if your clips underperform, you're instantly replaceable. Because demand is real, but differentiation is hard, I'm placing this in B tier. Number 4. AI dropshipping, C tier. This is sourcing and selling products using AI for research and store setup. Inventory risk stays low, and setup is faster than traditional dropshipping, but AI doesn't fix thin margins, expensive ad testing, or the race to the bottom pricing war. So because the core business problems remain untouched, this stays in C tier. Number 5. AI voice agents, B tier. This is building AI phone agents that handle calls and bookings for businesses. It's genuinely valuable because it saves businesses real time and money. The problem is setup and execution are far harder than beginners expect, and clients lose patience fast with clunky bots. Because the value is real, but execution is complex, I'm putting this in B tier. Quick pause before we continue. If you want to know exactly which of these 17 actually fits your situation, drop a comment with your age and the skills you already have, and I'll personally tell you which one I'd start with. I read every single comment, so don't hold back. Number 6. AI lead generation, a tier. This is using AI to help businesses find and qualify prospects. It ties directly to revenue, which means businesses will always need this. The only risk is that bad data or bad targeting collapses the entire system. Because it's directly tied to money in, I'm placing this in A tier. Number 7. AI chatbots, C tier. This involves building support or sales bots to reduce a business's workload. It saves time on repetitive questions, which sounds great, but the market is overhyped, and it's painfully easy to copy. Most bots end up feeling gimmicky at best. So because it's easy to commoditize, this goes in C tier. Number 8. AI ghostwriting, B tier. This is writing newsletters, posts, and scripts for founders using AI. Nail their voice, and you've got strong recurring income, but generic AI slop gets noticed instantly, and clients replace you fast the moment they smell it. Because outcomes swing hard on skill, I'm putting this in B tier. Number 9. AI website building, B tier. This is building business websites faster using AI tools. You get speed and lower cost compared to traditional web development, but selling pretty instead of results gets you commoditized instantly. So because positioning determines success here, this lands in B tier. Number 10. AI digital products, S tier. This is creating ebooks, templates, guides, and courses using AI. It's fully scalable, faceless, low cost, and beginner friendly. Genuinely one of the strongest models available right now. The only real limitation is it only works if there's actual demand for the problem you're solving. Because of how far this can scale with so little overhead, I'm putting this in S tier. Number 11. AI app building, B tier. This is using AI to cut coding time and build software faster. There's huge potential if the app solves a real problem, but beginners constantly confuse building an app with building a business. Distribution and retention are the real battle, and most people never fight it, so because execution beyond the build is where most fail, this stays in B tier. Number 12, AI meme pages, D tier. This is growing meme or branded pages using AI-assisted content. It's extremely cheap and fast to start, but attention online is fickle, and turning it into real income is brutally hard, because it rarely becomes a serious business. I'm putting this in D tier. Number 13, AI faceless YouTube channels, C tier. This is scripting, voicing, and producing videos without ever showing your face. No personal brand required, and it's fully scalable long term, but it's painfully slow to monetize, and most people quit long before it ever pays off. So because the patience requirement is brutal, this lands in C tier. Number 14, AI video editing, C tier. This is using AI to cut and repurpose content for clients. It's fast to deliver with a low barrier to entry, but that same low barrier floods the market and forces everyone into price wars, because differentiation is nearly impossible. I'm putting this in C tier. Number 15, AI print on demand, F tier. This is generating AI designs to sell on shirts, mugs, and posters. Low upfront cost, quick to launch. But there's zero moat, the competition is brutal, and most stores die within weeks. So because it's more gimmick than business, this goes in F tier. Number 16, AI automation agency, A tier. This is building systems that replace repetitive manual work for businesses. There's massive high ticket potential here because you're saving real time and cutting hiring costs. The downside is delivery and operations get messy fast without strong systems in place. Because the ceiling is genuinely high, I'm putting this in A tier. Number 17, AI prompts, D tier. This is selling prompt bundles for different use cases. It's extremely easy and cheap to create, but there's no moat, low perceived value, and honestly, most of it out there is just AI slop. So because anyone can replicate this in minutes, this lands in D tier. So here's the bottom line, and I want you to actually remember this one. AI is not the business, it is simply leverage. The next time you see a shiny new AI opportunity, don't ask yourself if it sounds cool. Ask yourself if it solves a real problem people already pay for. If a bot ever claims it'll trade or earn for you on complete autopilot, that's your red flag to walk away immediately. The models that actually work are the same business fundamentals that have always worked. AI just removes the friction and lets you deliver faster than ever before. So stop chasing shiny objects. Pick one model from this list, commit to it fully, and start building something real. And with all that being said, I'm rooting for you.